This program is a production of the College Football Network, which is now available on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, YouTube, and Vimeo. Visit www.collegefootballnetworkinc.com for a list of future shows and links to our social media accounts where you can stay up to date on our newest shows.
The College Football Network is a proud supporter of the Hill Family Foundation.
This episode is sponsored by Hardin Valley Lawn and Landscape of Knoxville, Tennessee. College Football Network viewers get free estimates, so contact Collis Lowe at 252-341-0443. Collis is a graduate of the University of Tennessee Civil Engineering program and started this company while he was an engineering student. Collis and his team do grade A work. Visit their Facebook page to see what craftsmanship in the landscaping profession looks like and gather some ideas for how you can improve your property with your next landscaping project. Hello world. My name is Max Carter, and I will be your host today for the first episode of Cook Like a Champion on the College Football Network. This series is going to show you how to prepare amazing recipes for your next tailgate or watch party. For this episode, I'm going to show you how to make the best dish that I've ever created. I call it the Tennessee Cheeseburger. I started making my burgers this way back in 2015, 2016 when I was a student at UT. My friends and family love these hamburgers, and they tell me that it's the best burger that they've ever eaten. And whenever we get together and have cookout, they always ask me to make the burgers. And what makes the Tennessee Cheeseburger the best is this butt rub. Bad Byron's butt rub. You can get it at Publix. I believe you can get it at Kroger. I'm sure there's other grocery stores that carry it. But that's an amazing seasoning. It's great on a lot of things. It's great on fish too. In 1998, the University of Tennessee went undefeated, went 13-0, and was crowned national champions in football, and won their 6th national title. So 1998 was a perfect season, and this is the perfect seasoning. So Bad Byron's butt rub is going to make this burger taste like 1998. We have the meats. Doesn't that look delicious? Looks really good. It's very fresh. Just bought it today. Now it's time to turn this beef into Tennessee burger meat. Sprinkle some of the seasoning onto your beef and begin massaging it in. I like to add it in a little at a time and work it in steadily. Round 2. And better if you do it in iterations. Round 3. So we are going to add 7 rounds of this seasoning before we pack the patties and create our crust. Round 4. So this was a little more than a pound of meat, and it took me about 10 minutes to mix everything in. Round 5. Round 6. When your fingers begin turning orange, you can tell that you're almost done. So this will be our final round of seasoning that we mix in. Round 7. And we're done. Just beat the patties over and over again like UT does to Vanderbilt. Did you know that Peyton Manning is referred to as Daddy in Alabama? It's because he spanked him so much. The patties are packed. Now we're going to create a crust of seasoning. Sprinkle some more of the seasoning on there and rub it across the top. Rub them and pat them down, then apply a little more. Next, pour the seasoning on the cutting board. I like to flip them over and over and over and get all the seasoning off of the cutting board. Add that last little bit. Pat them down to get that finished touch. Your burger patties are going to have a nice orange Tennessee glow to them. That's how you know you got some Tennessee burger meat. It's going to be amazing. Get the grill lit and let your coals burn down a little. Then throw your patties on there, let them sizzle. Remember, these burgers aren't like Florida. You can't burn them. Slap some cheese on there, let it melt on the grill. Good looking patties. You can't make a better looking hamburger than that. It's perfect. Now that we're done grilling, it's time to start chilling, so sit back in your favorite chair and dig in. That's perfect. Let steam come off of it. Perfect. Tastes like 98. Perfectly seasoned. This burger's worthy of a national championship. Thanks for watching this episode of Cook Like a Champion on the College Football Network. On our next episode, we'll show you how to make Miss Jean's legendary Georgia Crownies. Those are brownies with Crown Royal whiskey in them. They're amazing. Those Georgia Crownies are something everybody can bark about. Also, college football fans, be on the lookout for our Big Game Weekends program coming spring of 2023. We show you what it was like to go to some of the biggest college football games this year. We went to Athens for Tennessee, Georgia, went to Gainesville for South Carolina, Florida, then LA for USC, UCLA, then Columbus for Michigan, Ohio State, and Dallas for Kansas State, TCU, Big 12 championship. And then we went to the college football playoff semifinal games at the Peach Bowl and Fiesta Bowl and the national championship game. We'll show you what it was like to be there. Visit collegefootballnetworkinc.com to follow all of our social media pages, and you'll stay up to date when we come out and post these shows.